I'm doing a voiceover for this section since the audio was muffled by the wind out here in the desert, but I came across a large area of limestone, and the limestone had some pink marks in it, and I thought it would make for a very interesting sphere. So I brought it home and decided to cut it up and see if it would make a good sphere. So let's take a look and see how it turns out. All right, this next section of the video is normally supposed to be the grind of the stone. Unfortunately, I have lost that video footage, and I didn't want to replace it with another stone like this, which I had collected in the same place, because the other stones are all white, and this one has a distinctive red circles around it, and so I just left it out and just moved forward with the project. So it looks like the stone is finished with the grind. Kind of looks like a red eyeball staring at you. Kind of creepy. Looks like it's turned out pretty good. It has lots of different colors. On this back side, it has some other kind of mineral in it, something that's really rough. And you can see the stone is wet, but it does not shine off of this material. It's something a little bit different. I will get this on the polisher and get started with the first round of polish. It'll be a 100 grit. Okay, we got the water going. See if we can get a little bit better view here. All right. wrap it up. The last and final round of our polish on this limestone. All right, let's get this out of the way a little bit. See how it seems to have a nice shiny gloss finish. Let's clean it up and put it on some better light. All right, here we are with the finished stone. You can see that it changed from a white at the beginning to a lot of pink. Probably has to do with this red spot here. Probably some iron that leached into the soil at the time. I believe this is limestone, and it was very chalky to work with. Very soft. Limestone is a soft stone, and it's porous. You can see if I make it a little close up, see all the little voids and pores that are in it. I wouldn't say all limestone's like that, but this one is. I brought another one. This one's in the works. I kind of wanted to show the difference. This one didn't have any of this red in it, and so it just stayed white. It's not finished though. It's not polished yet. It's still pretty rough, but found in the exact same place, and you can see the big difference. This one, it also has a lot of pores in it too. So those are some similarities. One thing I really like about this is the pink color. You don't see a whole lot of pink. It's usually like a red or a brownish kind, maybe some other kind of colors added to it. I do like this bright red, kind of reminds me of an eyeball. But yeah, it was fun making this, and I do have some more. And I don't know, I might post videos about some of these other ones that are all white, but otherwise, I had fun making the stone sphere. And if you know anyone who is interested in stone spheres and or limestone, feel free to share this video with them. All right, thank you, and we'll see you on the next video.